So in your Windows computer, first open the Microsoft Word, and after that if your number lock is off, you must turn on the num lock. You can see the Alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press and hold this Alt key. At the same time you must type here 8544. After typing that, release your finger from this Alt key. And you can see that the Roman numeral 1 have been arrived here. Similarly, press and hold this Alt key after turning on this num lock, and after that type here 8545, and after that release your finger from this Alt key. It will see the Roman numeral 2 comes here. You can also try press and hold this Alt key, turn on the number lock, and after that type 8546, then release the finger from this Alt key. You can see that the Roman numeral 3 comes here. Turn on the number lock, press and hold this Alt key, and type here 8546, then release the finger from this Alt key. The number 3 comes here, and if you type here 8547, release the finger from this Alt key, then you can see that the Roman numeral 4 comes here. Hope this video helps you. For more videos, subscribe. Thank you.